turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The fuel filter is located on the passenger side at the back of the vehicle. In order to replace the fuel filter, you must lift the front and back of your vehicle on the passenger side. This will ensure you can slide easily under your car to access the filter. Place the jack in the middle of your vehicle. And lift it up. Place it on the axle stands. Nevertheless, we strongly suggest watching the tutorial video, lifting your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You should now be able to see the fuel filter located next to the reservoir. Using a container, collect the fuel that will come out of the filter. We suggest you watch another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Start by disconnecting the inlet and outlet hose for fuel. Push on the coloured part of the plastic connector and simultaneously pull down to remove them. Remove the filter, letting it flow out. Then drain the filter into the liquid collector. Take the new filter. And remove the fuel outlet cap. Put the new filter in, sliding it in the opposite way round. Careful, the arrows on the new filter must point out to the outside of the vehicle. Now, reconnect the two hoses. You can now put the vehicle back on the ground. Operation completed.